Hey everybody, Fun Stampers Journey Coach Janice Whiting here. I am coach number 33 and am an executive manager for Fun Stampers Journey. In this video I will be showcasing our December bloom box. Now you might be thinking, Janice, December is over, why are you showing me this? Well, because it's beautiful and I love it. I think you'll love it. And the way we do our bloom boxes now, there's a good chance that this little puppy is still available. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get into showing the awesome December bloom box. And now the stamp set that comes with this kit is called Birdie Fest. Birdie Fest. Isn't it awesome? I adore these little birdies. They are so fun. They make me think of like Swedish or Danish or whatever type designs, kind of cultural. I don't know, that looks like a pattern that I would find a foreign pattern, and I just kind of love it. The greetings or the sayings are congratulations, birthday wishes, thankful for, and winter wishes. So super fun, super cute, and really, if you are a Bloom Box subscriber with me, you get some extra perks, okay? So if you subscribe to my 6-month club, which I have quite a few, and I love you guys, you are awesome, you get a catalog, a free catalog. Anytime we get a new catalog, you do not have to purchase. I will send you one in the mail, so pretty soon there's one coming. Actually, tomorrow is the start of our new year and new mini catalog. So for those of you that are subscribed to my 6-month subscription, you will be getting yours out here in a couple weeks. As soon as I get them, you will get them. And then on top of that, every now and then I'll send you some goodies just for being amazing and wonderful for who you are. Now, normally, if you are a subscriber, what comes with the kit, whether you get it for a 6-month subscription or whether you do the month-to-month option, because that is an option, you get, like I said, a full-size stamp set, so $17.95 value or higher. You get a full-color instruction booklet that gives you all of the instructions on how to make these cards. They are detailed, easy to follow, full color. They are wonderful. On top of that, I always say it's like a mini class or mini workshop, because you leave creating 4 projects, and there are tips and techniques that you also learn. And so even if it was a stamp set that you weren't just crazy about, you leave having created 4 cards and you learn something new, which I think is of a high value. And so for $24.95 a month, not a bad deal. So it's different than other card kit subscriptions, okay? And these aren't just your really, plain and simple cards. These are multi-layered, gorgeous, beautifully designed cards. So we've got that. You've got the kit, you get the book, you get all you need to create the cards with the exception of ink or adhesives, okay? So all of their like embellishments and die cuts and ribbon, all of that is provided. All you have to come with is inks and adhesives, okay? And obviously your basic tools and stuff, which probably you already have if you're a crafter and watching this video. And then of course there's always a little video introing it that comes out from the Fun Stampers Journey. And I do my own video showing you what I did with the box, because sometimes I get the box and maybe I don't like the color scheme, or maybe I don't like the design, and so I change it up. So not only do you get what they give you, you also get the added designs and thoughts that I put together. So hopefully that gives a little bit of an added value. Okay, so now the 6-month subscription, like I said, is $24.95, but the month-to-month, because it's month-to-month, the price goes higher. So you're paying a premium for being able to just pick 1 month, and the price is $29.95. Okay, so a great value either way. Obviously, the 6-month one is a little bit better of a value, but either way, you're getting all these wonderful, wonderful things. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the booklet and the cards as were made by the Fun Stampers Journey team, and then I'll show you my card that how I created it. So again, Birdie Fest was the stamp set, and I'm going to skip over the tips and the first card. Okay, now this is the first card. I'm going to zoom it up as much as I can here so you can see It's got some fringe. See that die cut? That was already there provided. All of these cutouts were already provided. Now, I went completely different on this card. Well, I say completely. I went with a different color scheme. I looked ahead and looked and saw all the other colors that these cards, most of the cards had, and I wanted to create a little bit of a collection, so to speak. And so I did not stick with the fun, vibrant, which I think this is cute too, the yellows and the oranges and the navy blue. That's just a fun color combo. I changed it up and I went with the more neutral color palette. So the design was still the same. I kept it the same, just changed the colors. So, here's what I came up with. Instead of our lemon drop base, I used our oatmeal cookie. And instead of the tangerine fusion, I used our pumpkin spice to be the matte for the main image there. And look at those fun, beautiful birds. I used Catalina Splash. Ooh, I think this is Morning Mist. Morning Mist and Lovely Blue. And Lovely Blue is hard to see, but it is visible. It's just a really, really light blue. It wasn't necessarily intended to be a stamping ink, just like a background for skies, but you can use it. It is visible and it's pretty. And then I switched up, I kept their navy blue that they gave me, which is our Denim Days, and then added the pool play fringe right here, which I did use with our fringe shears, and I'm trying to grab my fringe shears from here so you can see, because they are pretty fun to work with. Look at that. Wow, isn't that crazy? So fun. So I just cut those and made that fringe. It's awesome. So that's card one. So this is, I always like to do a comparison, side-by-side comparison. So fun. Obviously, you may like the bright and beautiful colors, and that is great because I like them too. But again, in a minute, you'll see I was trying to tie all of my cards together. So there's a thought for you. The next card I loved, and I only changed one little thing about this one, but that blue and white, oh, I loved it. I loved the blue and white birdie patterns there. Now, the only thing I did was instead of the yellow, I switched it out to our pool play paper. Isn't that fun? So, and then of course, I say of course, I changed out the sentiment because to be quite honest, I don't have that many events or opportunities to send out a congratulations card. Winter wishes I could totally use during the winter season. So went ahead and switched it out for that. And then side by side, you'll notice that see the twine there that did a bow and a little knotted thing. I didn't opt for that. I just did the generic little circle twine in the background just for fun. I probably could have added a little bit more, but it is what it is. And so there we go, a little bit back so you can see those together. So I just changed the blue. It just changes it up a little bit, and I actually really do like the blue and the yellow together. Those are complementary colors. But again, I wanted to keep with the color scheme of the rest of my cards, and so I did not add the yellow. None of my cards have yellow. So there's that. Okay, third card. This one I did not change at all because I loved it, and it goes with the color scheme pretty well. So this is the original as designed by FSJ, and mine as designed by FSJ, but in real life. Oh, isn't it beautiful? So pretty. I love it. It's just so fun. I love the clean. I am like a sucker for clean and simple designs. And to me, this is very clean and simple. It's very nice. I love that bright, bold white border. So pretty. Catalina Splash is the colorful, the beautiful color of that bird. Now you might be wondering, that looks a little darker than what's in the picture. I stamped mine twice, and so you guys know that our inks, you may not know, our inks are amazing. They are layerable. And so the more times you stamp with our ink, it gets just that bit darker. Now, there does come to a point where it's saturated and it's as dark as it will get, usually about the third stamp or so. So in the image, it was only stamped once. So I stamped mine, I think I stamped mine 3 times, so you can see it is a wee bit darker there, but I loved it regardless. Okay, and that is the same for this as well. I stamped these multiple times to get the true color of Catalina Splash. As you can tell, they are coordinating in color scheme. And then the last card, I changed. The design was the same, but just well, I take that back. I think the original design was a square card. I changed it to a regular A2 card, so 4.5 or 4.25 by 5.5. And then I changed the colors completely because, again, these didn't really go with my browns and blues that I was trying to go for. And so I switched it up a wee bit and I made this card. So you can see the design is just about the same. I've got the birds in the same place and the banner in the same place. I used the same sentiment, but I made the card bigger, elongated it, and created this card. So now, let's see if I can hold these cards together. I'll have a picture at the end of the video with all 4 of them together because I just think they're so beautiful and they go so well together. And then let's go back up here. And then there's this one. So isn't that fun? So I just tried to coordinate them a little bit. The pumpkin spice added here as the matte, and obviously the Catalina splash, and then the morning mist blue, which is what I stamped the lighter version of the birds in. So anyway, there are. What do you think? Do you like them? I love them. I just love this palette. It's very fun, wintry, frost kind of a palette. And I love blues and browns. They're just very soothing to me, right? They're soothing colors, peaceful colors, brown, earthy colors. Anyway, that is it for me today in this video. I wanted to showcase this bloom box and this gorgeous set, which you can get on my website. If you will go to www.funstampersjourney.com/Janice Whiting. If you click on the shop button, you can shop on there like you would any online store. And if you're interested in this particular set, it is still available. I did check. And you would just look or click on the bloom box link, okay? And it is available. $29.95 if you want to do the one-time purchase, or if you want to subscribe to my club, then you can do the 6-month subscription, and the options are pretty obvious there. All right? Okay, that's it for me. Happy New Year to you. Let's hope for the best, and I'm expectant to see for what 2018 has to bring us, and hopefully it has wonderful things to bring you as well. Okay, I think that's it for today, and we will talk to you later. Bye.